Looking to add dynamic beats to your guitar sessions? The best drum machine for guitarists can transform your sound, giving you pro-level grooves without a full band. In this video, we'll explore top picks to enhance your playing and creativity. Let's dive in. Number 1. Akai MPK Drum Machine. For musicians and beatmakers seeking a compact yet powerful music production tool, the Akai MPK Drum Machine is an excellent choice. This USB-powered MIDI controller is designed for both beginners and professionals, offering a seamless experience in beat production, virtual synthesizer control, and studio production. Equipped with 25 velocity-sensitive MIDI keys, it allows for expressive performances while keeping its form factor portable. Whether you're a producer on the go or setting up a home studio, this device ensures efficiency and precision in music creation. One of its standout features is the innovative 4-way thumbstick, providing dynamic pitch and modulation control. This gives artists a unique level of expressiveness, enhancing melodies and beats with fluid adjustments. These pads, combined with the note repeat and full-level functionality, make drum programming smoother and more intuitive. The Akai MPK Drum Machine also excels in integrating with music production software. Featuring 8 assignable rotary knobs, it provides hands-on control over music studio plugins, enabling real-time adjustments for mixing and tweaking synth controls. The unit comes with a complete music production starter kit, including MPC beats, 3 virtual instruments, and over 2 GB of sound content. This makes it an all-in-one solution for those looking to dive into music production without needing additional software. Number 2. Akai 3 Malawian Quachas Drum Machine. The Akai 3 Malawian Quachas Drum Machine is a versatile and compact MIDI controller that delivers outstanding performance for beatmakers, musicians, and songwriters. Designed for portability without compromising on features, this standalone mini keyboard comes with built-in speakers, allowing users to create and perform anywhere without needing external amplification. It features a 25-key Gen 2 MPK Mini dynamic keybed that provides a responsive and expressive playing experience. Whether producing beats, composing melodies, or performing live, the 3 Malawian Quachas is engineered to support various creative workflows. Equipped with 8 velocity-sensitive backlit MPC drum pads, this machine allows for dynamic beat programming, sample triggering, and real-time performance enhancements. The arpeggiator and note repeat functions further expand creative possibilities, helping users craft intricate rhythmic patterns with ease. Additionally, encoder knobs provide hands-on control over virtual instruments and effects, offering precision adjustments for mixing and sound shaping. The OLED display ensures clear and intuitive navigation, making it easier to tweak settings on the fly. The Akai 3 Malawian Quachas Drum Machine also boasts an impressive collection of over 100 internal drum and instrument sounds, including acoustic and electric pianos, synth leads, and pads. This standalone capability means users can create full compositions without needing a computer. However, it also seamlessly integrates with DAWs through its USB MIDI controller functionality. Included software like MPC beats, expansion packs, and virtual instruments from Air Music Tech add immense value, making it a complete music production package. Number 3. Akai Professional Mini Plus. The Akai Professional Mini Plus is a high-performance MIDI controller designed for musicians who need expanded creative control. Featuring a dynamic 37-key MPK Mini keybed, this device offers 3 full octaves for both melodic and harmonic performances. Whether you're a studio producer, live performer, or composer, the Mini Plus delivers exceptional versatility and playability. The expanded key range makes it ideal for playing everything from basslines to complex chords without feeling restricted by a compact design. One of the most notable features of the Akai Professional Mini Plus is its advanced connectivity options. With CVE gate and MIDI I/O, users can seamlessly integrate it with modular gear, synthesizers, and sound modules. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to combine digital and analog workflows. Additionally, the built-in 64-step sequencer offers 2 independent tracks, one for drums and another for melodies or chords, with up to 8 notes each. This allows for standalone composition and recording without needing a computer, making it perfect for on-the-go production. The device also comes with an intuitive transport section that provides hardware control over your DAW. Users can easily start and stop recordings, fast forward through sessions, and navigate projects with ease. The 8 premium RGB MPC pads add another layer of control, offering a responsive feel for dynamic beat production and sample triggering. These pads, combined with the chords and scales modes, help simplify performance while adding depth to compositions. Number 4. Akai Apc Mini 2 Malawian Guitars. The Akai Apc Mini 2 Malawian Guitars is a powerful and compact Ableton Live clip launching MIDI controller, designed for producers and performers looking for hands-on control over their music. Whether used in the studio or on stage, this device offers seamless integration with Ableton Live, making it an essential tool for live looping, mixing, and production. Its ultra-portable design ensures that it fits effortlessly into any setup while still delivering a high level of performance. At the heart of the Apc Mini 2 Malawian Guitars is its bright 8x8 RGB pad matrix, featuring 64 pads for launching clips, triggering samples, and controlling loops. The color-coded visual feedback allows users to easily distinguish different clips, making live performances more intuitive. Additionally, the drum and note modes enhance the creative experience by enabling seamless interaction with Ableton's drum rack and smart scale view for effortless melodic playing. This ensures that even users with minimal musical theory knowledge can compose harmonically accurate melodies. Another standout feature is the 9 assignable faders, including 8 individual faders and 1 master fader, which can be used to control volume, pan, or device parameters. The ability to quickly map these faders to Ableton Live's mixer provides tactile control over mixes, improving workflow efficiency. Number 5. M-Audio Oxygen Pro Mini. The M-Audio Oxygen Pro Mini is a highly versatile MIDI keyboard designed for producers, composers, and beatmakers looking for professional-grade control in a compact form. Featuring 32 velocity-sensitive, semi-weighted keys, it provides an expressive playing experience ideal for both melodic performances and beat production. Whether used in a home studio or for live performances, this MIDI controller offers precise control over virtual instruments and plugins. Equipped with 8 RGB backlit drum pads, the Oxygen Pro Mini allows users to trigger samples, launch clips, and program beats with accuracy. These velocity-sensitive pads come with note repeat functionality, making it easy to create dynamic drum patterns. Additionally, for assignable knobs, buttons, and faders provide real-time control over DAW parameters, allowing users to tweak effects, adjust levels, and manipulate sounds effortlessly. One of its most impressive features is the effortless auto-mapping for DAW controls and plugin parameters. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.